Welcome to SupplyGraph AI, your integrated AI assistant for supply chain intelligence. Today, I'm introducing you to a key product in our supply chain risk mitigation suite, Enterprise Supply Graph Visualization. SupplyGraph AI's core technology uses AI to map out, in real time and for the global market, the intercorrelations between more than 1 million key industry products, their manufacturers, purchasers, and shippers. All our supply chain intelligence products are developed using this structure. While the actual topology includes 10+ tiers of supply-demand dependency, our Enterprise Supply Graph Visualization agent focuses on the most relevant 3 to 4 tiers, allowing our human users a comprehensive view of the target company's supply chain network. Now, let's look at an exemplary supply graph for Tesla Inc. At first glance, Tesla's global supply chain is a mess. But don't worry, the reality is actually much messier. Let's click Hide for Tier 4, Tier 3, and Tier 2 industry products, and we get the target company, Tesla, in the middle, and its Tier 1 key industry products. Mouse over and click Tesla for more statistical details. We could see that our data agent identified 30 key industry products as Tier 1, directly needed for Tesla's supply chain, and 2,323 key industry products as Tier 2, critical to the Tier 1 key industry products that are critical to Tesla. Following the same logic, there are 27,736 Tier 3 products and 55,629 Tier 4 products. By this time, the physical locations of these products and their manufacturers are literally all over the world. But a supply shock happening on a Tier 4 key industry product will, if the supply is high in concentration and low in elasticity, surely propagate to Tier 1 key industry products, then to the target company. For a full description of the supply graph for Tesla Inc., click on this button on the upper right for a narrative database. Honestly, this function is more for your in-house AI agent than for you. It explains the data source, data structure, nodes, aka key industry products, composition, and application scenarios. The narrative database for the supply graph of a company of Tesla's size is easily in the ballpark of 150,000 words, and we strongly recommend using your AI to reprocess such information for your purpose. Now, let's get back to the main page of the supply graph for Tesla Inc. Remember that our AI identified 30 key industry products as Tier 1, directly needed for Tesla's supply chain, and here it selected 11 of the most relevant nodes for presentation. If you click on any Tier 1 nodes, like for example, vehicle cooling system, it will also give you an expandable menu showing how many manufacturers, trading companies, and shipping companies are relevant to vehicle cooling system. For further information, you can download a list of companies our AI has collected from public sources. Our data agents collects basic information on all companies that it considered relevant to vehicle tooling system globally. Note that this is real-time information from the internet, so use with caution, and we recommend performing due diligence work using our other AI agents before making business decisions based on this list. Now, let's look at Tier 2 nodes and try to find something that is critical to the vehicle cooling system. Say, automotive film capacitor. Again, for this node, the graph collects how many relevant entities our AI has found, where they are located globally, and who they are, or rather, how they present themselves in the vast universe that is the internet. Now, go back to the main page. The same logic applies to Tier 3, Tier 4, all the way to Tier 10 products, which is in total more than 1 million key industry products that form the backbone of our global supply chain. There are about 100 million entities, manufacturers, wholesalers, distributors, shipping companies, etc., that operate these 1 million key industry products and constantly interact with each other 24/7 a day, every day. That's the living, breathing supply chain ecosystem that SupplyGraph AI models and monitors, and we use this model to track footprints, forecast risks, and help our clients to build more resilient supply chain management practices.